Have you ever asked yourself this? Minsan kasi may mga bagay na hindi na worth it ipagpatuloy. At ang bagay na tanging makakasalba lang sa'yo ay ang hayaan ito. But I know na before you let go of something, maraming mga questions ang pumapasok sa isipan mo. Gagawin ko ba talaga? Baka magsisi ako. It's hard to let go of something, lalo na't may malalim ka ng pundasyon. When you go deeper, the more it's painful. But once you realize it ng mas maaga, the better it is. Yes, it's painful. But we should learn how to accept reality, and most especially on accepting the will of God. Truly, it really happens. When we surrender our plans to Him, everything will change. Yung mga bagay na akala mo sure na magugulat ka na lang, magbabago yun. Because along our way of surrendering our plans to the Lord, our paths changes. Kasi dinadirect niya tayo sa plano niya. And when we saw changes, doon natin marirealize na mali pala yung mga plano natin. Philippians chapter 3 verse 13 to 14. Brethren, I count not myself to have apprehended, but this one thing I do, forgetting those things which are behind, and reaching forth unto those things which are before. I press toward the mark for the prize of the high calling of God in Christ Jesus.